In this meditation, you will connect with the energy of clear eyesight. Everything around us, including our bodies, is made of energy and vibration. By tuning into the right frequency, we can help our eyes heal and straighten. You will use your imagination to sense this energy, reshape it, and bring it back into your physical energy with clarity and intention. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Take another deep breath in and breathe out. Let your body relax, releasing any tension. Close your eyes and allow yourself to feel calm and present. Focus on your breath. With each inhale, imagine you are breathing in pure healing energy. With each exhale, let go of stress, worry, and anything that no longer serves you. Feel yourself becoming lighter and more open. Before we begin, we want to set our intention. Ask yourself, who am I becoming as my vision improves? Who am I becoming as my vision improves? Would you feel more confident knowing you can trust your eyes? Would you feel more at ease, comfortable seeing the world with clarity? Would you feel more present, more engaged with life and enjoy the beauty of it? Would you feel more focused on what you want? Hold on to your intention throughout the whole meditation so that the universe knows what to give to you. Now take a deep breath in and hold it, hold it, hold it, and breathe out. And take a deep breath in and hold it, hold it, hold it, and slowly breathe out. And one last time, take a deep breath in, hold it, and slowly breathe out. And now let's ground ourselves. Bring your awareness to your feet. Imagine strong roots growing from the soles of your feet, reaching deep into the earth. Feel the steady grounding energy of the earth rising up through your legs into your body, anchoring you in the present moment. Sense the connection, knowing that you are safe, supported, and balanced. Allow this grounding energy to stabilize and prepare you for the vibrational shift ahead. Take another deep breath in and exhale fully, feeling even more centered and connected. With each breath, you are more and more relaxed. You are relaxed. And now we are expanding into the fifth dimension. Picture your body as energy instead of something solid. Imagine every cell gently expanding, spreading out into a field of light. Everything is flowing and shifting, full of possibility. Your eyes are part of this energy. Instead of being fixed or limited, they are vibrating, moving, and open to renewal in this expanded state. Sense the perfect blueprint of clear, healthy vision. It already exists, and you are simply aligning with it. See a golden light surrounding your eyes, filled with the frequency of perfect eyesight. It is there, waiting for you to tune into it. Imagine standing face to face with another version of yourself. It is you, the you that already has perfect eyesight. This version of you is vibrant, healthy, and sees the world with absolute clarity. Look into their eyes. Notice how confidently they move, how effortlessly they see. Feel their energy. Match their energy. How do they feel? Feel your vibration shifting, aligning with this version of yourself. Let their clarity, ease, and confidence flow into you. With each breath, you step deeper into this reality. Breathe. Know that it is you. It is just logical that you feel the best. You are now merging with this perfectly sighted version of you. You and this healthy version of yourself are one. The frequencies are synchronized now. Gently collapse this aligned energy into your present moment, into your physical body, bringing it fully into the third dimension. Bring your awareness back to your body while keeping the feeling of light and flow. Imagine all the refined energy gently coming back together, forming your body and eyes. But now, carrying this refreshed, upgraded vibration. As this energy settles, you hold the deep knowing that your eyes are healthy. Your vision is sharper and your perception is expanding. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel gratitude for your eyes, your body, and this powerful shift in energy. When you're ready, gently bring awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers, move your body, and when you feel ready, open your eyes. Look around with fresh awareness, colors more vivid, details sharper, and a deep trust that your vision is continuously improving. You are welcome to come back to this meditation to reconnect with your intention, realign your energy, and continue to straighten your vision. For more meditations, visit the playlist Guided Meditations in this channel. Have a good day.